Hi everyone, let's continue. This one is the session we are going to cover up Power Query. And under this Power Query, we would start transform data and group by. So first of all, we would understand how we can upload this data. You can see I had get data. You will click here and .csv file when you are going to click over here and select your .csv file, and after that you will open it. And after opening this file, you can simply load because I had already loaded this file. So you can see edited data that would be on the right hand side. It would be reflected. Edited data, all the columns are visible. Category, city, country, customer ID, customer name, discount, market, etc. So first of all, we would like to view this file, all the columns you can see easily over here. Order ID, order data, ship mode, customer ID, etc. Country, region, market, and product name, sales, quantity, discount, profit, etc. So how we will work on transform data. So let me go there, home, and here is you are going to click here, transform data. Click here, transform data, and now new page will open, and here is you can see so many, because close and apply, when you are closing your file, that will save close and apply and close, and simply when you are closing, then whatever the changes you have done in your file, that will not save. And when you are press here close and apply, then changes would also save. So here is so many tabs are here: data source setting, refresh preview, manage parameters, etc. Remove columns. Directly you can remove column from this place only, right? And keep rows, remove rows, etc. And here is group by. I was talking about this group by. So we will press here group by. Now you can see there are two options. One is basic, another one is advanced. When we will talk about basics, so here is, suppose I would like to grouping the data on the basis of, let's say, on the basis of category. So we will select on the category basis. We would we will group, we are grouping the data, and here is I'm giving the name of this, let's say I'm giving this current file, and operation on which, on what basis, let's say I'm putting up sum, and sum of what, sum of sum of I would like to do sum of, let's say, sales, and let me press OK. So now you can see in my this file, technology, furniture, and office supplies, these are three categories of the data. And this is the sum total, right? Sales. So under the category of technology, you can see this is the total of the sales, and furniture, this is the total of the sales, and office supplies, etc. This is the one way. And suppose I don't want this, so I will remove this. After that, what we can do again, we have to go for group by, and here is advanced. This was the basic, then the advanced. In the advanced, suppose I would like to go for grouping of the data category wise only. And suppose here is multiple, on the basis of multiple columns. This is the beauty of this Power BI. In the advanced section, it's like a in this advanced section, you can grouping the data of multiple columns. So add grouping, and here is, suppose you want to group on the basis of subcategory. Sorry, product name, no, subcategory. So I had selected subcategory, and same thing is here. Suppose I will give name of this, let's say I will give this name CURR, and operation is, let's say, same is in the first category. I would like to do sum of what, sales, right? But in the another category, let's say I'm giving this the new name, let's say CURR triple R. I had given this name, and counting on the basis of average and of sales. So these are the multiple things you can add, and after that you can press OK. So now you can see these are my main categories: technology, furniture, and all these things in this file. And here is subcategories in technology. These are the phones, furniture, like chairs, technology under these copiers, and furniture. There are bookcases and office supplies, binders, labels, paper supplies, etc. And this is the one file I had given. You remember this, the one file, that is the total. And another one is, this is on the basis of, if you would remember, this is the first column, CURR is on the basis of the sum, and CURRR triple times RR I had written, this is on the basis of the average. So in a simple advanced group by, you can do that, and in the single file, in the single file, you can see all the operations. And if you don't want to keep it, you can remove this, right? Those file would be as it is. So now I hope this video would be helpful to you group by. So thank you. Keep watching.